Hi, let us solve this question. The question says a stone of mass 500 grams tied to a rope of 50 centimeter long is whirled at an angular velocity of 12.0 rad per second. Calculate the centripetal force. Okay, solution. Let us list our parameters out. Now the mass is given. Mass is 500 kg, which you convert it to what? To kilogram by dividing by what? 1000. Well, we have 0.5 kg. Okay. Now the rope, the radius is also given, which is what? 50 cm. When you divide by, when you convert to meter, you are going to have 0.5 meter. That is the normal standard unit of what? Radius. Okay. Now, the angular velocity is given, which is W, 12.0 rad per second. Are you with me? Okay. Now, the force is not given. We are looking for the force. Remember the relationship between linear velocity and angular velocity. And the relationship say that V is equal to what? Angular velocity multiplied by what? Radius. Remember, this is very, very important. The relationship between linear what? Velocity and what? Angular velocity is that velocity is equal to what? Angular velocity. Multiplication of angular velocity to what? The ratio, to the radius. Are you with me? Now, if we have this, and recall that the force is equal to what? Mass multiplied by the velocity square over r. If we have this, and we are looking for what? Force. Now, remember that the velocity is not given, but angular velocity and the radius is also given. So we can now replace. If V is equal to WR, we can from this question have that F is equal to, anywhere we see W, anywhere we see velocity, we call it what? W, angular velocity multiplied by what? Radius. Well, what do we have now? Mass multiplied by velocity, which is what? WR, all square over what? R. Now let's go. Force is equal to M. W times W will give us W square. R times R will give us R square. All over what? R. Now you can agree with me that this R will cancel. This R will cancel this. Cancel this one. Remember one. We have that force is equal to mass angular velocity square R. Are you with me? Now, what are we looking for? The mass is given, the angular velocity is also given, and the what? Radius is also given. So let's substitute. Force is equal to, our mass is what? 0.5 multiplied by 12.0 all square multiplied by what? 0.5. So what we have? Force is equal to what? 0.5. 0.5 multiply. This is 12.0 is what? So 12.0 times 12.0 will give us what? 114. 114 times this will give us 36 Newton. So our force is what? 36 Newton. So 36 Newton is the force, which is what? The centripetal force. And that is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and comment. Bye bye.